Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. This meaning is multiplication. Okay. So first of all, let's say D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So here figure is not given, so we have to draw the figure. So let's consider this is triangle A, B and C. So D is a point on the side BC. So that means on this side BC, D is a point. So let's take maybe here one point D and join with A. Okay. So now such a way that ADC, this angle equal to BAC. So that means this angle. This angle A is equal to angle D. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay. So let's begin how to prove. So first of all, let's find out what are these triangle. So what is first let us take CA square equal to CB into CD. What is this? CA square equal to CB into CD. Now this CA square can we write down two times? CA into CA, CB into CD. Okay. So CA into CA. If we have to write in ratio form, then this can be written as a CA upon this CA will become, and this CB upon CD. If we have to write the ratio, it will be like this. Okay. So that means two triangle. So the upper one side is one triangle. This will be another triangle. So then CA and CB, in which triangle it is coming? Let us see. CA is this side. CB is, this is CB. So that means these two sides, if these two sides are coming means the upper one must be triangle ABC. So this is one triangle. Okay. Triangle ABC. Now next, down. Down is CA and CD we have. So CA is this side, then CD is this side. So that means this down part shows CA and CD means that shows this triangle. So third side will be this. So let us highlight this part. Okay. So that means now we got the two triangle, because we have to find out here nothing is given. Here only said that D is the point on BC and in triangle ABC. That's it. And then this angle is equal to this angle. So we should know which are the two triangle. Actually with the angle also you can find out. Angle A means it will be angle ABC and angle D comes. So that means this would be triangle ADC. But still to know the ratio, okay, I have here ratio is not given, just to find out only I have done this. Okay, so these are the two triangle we have, one yellow color triangle, one green color triangle, big green color triangle we have, and one small yellow color triangle we have. So can we write down now? So in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So ADC, what are the things are given to us now? Let us see. Angle A is of this big triangle, angle D is of a small color triangle. So that means angle A is equal to angle D, already it is given to us. Okay. So in this two triangle, angle A is equal to angle D, that is given to us. Then what are the things? If you look at this yellow color triangle, Just look at this yellow color triangle. You have angle C. And look at this green color triangle, big one. There also angle C is part of it. So that means angle C is equal to angle C common. So angle C is common for both the triangle. So now can we say that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC by angle criteria. So by angle criteria, two angles we got. So by angle criteria, these two triangles became similar. So if they are similar means their ratios also have to be equal. So now we don't know which side, because ratio is not given to us. So we have to find out which ratio will be equal to which side of the triangle. So we have triangle ABC. So we have three sides. We have this side, we have this side, and this side. This is of green color triangle. Now for yellow color triangle, we have this side, and this side. But then which side will the ratios are equal, that we don't know. So because it is not given to us in the question any sides of the ratio, so we have to find out on which side ratios will be equal. So for that, what we will do, first we will write down a big triangle all three sides. Okay, so AB. So AB side, upon which side, for yellow we don't know, just keep it. Then we have AB, then let's write down BC side, then AC or CA, whichever way you want to write down. Okay, AB, BC, then CA, all three sides. So now of small triangle, which side will come proportionally to the sides of the other triangle. So let us see. So now for triangle, for this big triangle, angle A, it is given to us, right? Angle A is equal to angle D. Of big triangle, angle A is equal to the small triangle angle D. So then angle A opposite to angle A is which side? BC is there. Okay, so we have BC here. Okay, so green color side we have got it. Of opposite to triangle A, BC is there. So for small triangle, we said A is equal to D. So then let us see opposite to D, which side is there for small triangle. So opposite to D, which side we have? We have CA. CA because you can say AC or a CA is the same, but since in the question it is mentioned CA, so we will take it CA. Okay. So for A, we said angle A is equal to angle D. Okay. So for angle A, opposite side is BC for big triangle. So same way for angle D, opposite side for small triangle is opposite side is CA. So then we will take CA here. So BC upon CA. So this side is over now. This side is over. Okay, BC upon CA is over of this small triangle. Now let us take, we said C is common for both the triangle. So angle C is here common. So for angle C, opposite to angle C, we have AB. Okay, so AB is there. So AB is here of the big triangle. Okay, so same way opposite to C, the small triangle, what we have? We have AD. We have opposite to C for small triangle, opposite is AD. So let us write down AD. So this is for the big triangle, opposite to C big triangle, and opposite to C small triangles. Okay, so these two sides ratio will be equal. So now let us see, we have CA here. Now for big triangle, CA is this side. Okay, so we have finished of small triangle. Which are the side? AD is over, CA is over. So what is left is CD only is left. You can write CD or a DC. Only this side is left. So you can write down CD. Okay, so like this now we have done the ratios equal because both are similar triangle, no? So ABC and ADC are similar. So the sides of the ratios are similar. Since sides of the ratio is not given, so we had to find out which sides of the ratio. So now we have proved. Now from here we have to prove now this. Okay, so here if you see, we have CA, CB, CD. So what we don't have CA, we have CD, we have CA is there, CD is there. Okay, so then here this is ABAD. You see here anywhere ABAD is there? No. So we will take only these two sides. Okay, so when you take this two side, BC upon CA equal to CA upon CD, cross multiply. What we will get? We will get BC into CD will come this side. Then CA is here already. This CA division, when it goes, it will go to multiplication. Okay, so now you see BC into CD equal to CA 2 times, so CA square. So this is what we had to prove this. You see, CA square equal to CB into CD. So CB into CB or you write, or BC you write, is the same. So therefore you can write what is given. CB, CD is given, CB. So let's write down CB, or write down first this. CA square equal to CB into CD, hence proof. That's it. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.